Hello everybody, my name is Maddie and today I'm going to do a related rates problem. And related rates is one of the topics in calculus that is very important. So the problem says the length of a rectangle is increasing at a rate of 8 centimeters per second and its width is increasing at a rate of 3 centimeters per second. When the length is 20 centimeters and the width is 10 centimeters, how fast is the area of the rectangle increasing? So first I'm going to draw the rectangle or the box. And if you remember from elementary school math, area of a rectangle is length times width. So from the text above, it tells us that the length at this moment is 20 and the width at this moment is 10. It also tells us the rate at which the length and width are changing. For example, so length of rectangle is increasing at a rate of 8 centimeters per second. So we're going to denote that as dl dt equals 8. And for the width, it is increasing at a rate of 3 centimeters per second. Okay, so in a related rates problem, you're pretty much finding the derivative of the related equation. The related equation is the area equation. So we are trying to figure out the change in the area. And to do that, we take the derivative of length times width. And we are going to use the product rule because we're having two things multiplied by each other. That's the product. So if you forgot the product rule is simply f of x plus g prime of x, not plus, I'm sorry, times g prime of x, plus g of x times f prime of x. Okay, so that's the product rule. So that's what we're going to do with our related equation here. So you can call the L f of x and the W g of x. So dA dt, which is the change in area over time, is going to be L times W prime plus W times L prime. And we actually have all these values because they were given to us in the text. So the length was 20. W prime is simply the change in width over time, which is 3, plus the width, 10, times the derivative of the length, which is the change in length over time, which was 8. So that means that dA dt is simply 60 plus 80, which is 140. The units on that is going to be centimeters cubed per second. And that is your answer. So I hope you find related rates a little bit easier after this video. If you have any other requests for other calculus videos, any science videos, stuff like that, then feel free to comment it down below. Thank you.